Hello friends, today's detail on this chilly day is a 2013 Chrysler 200. This is from the car lot. We're just going to do a basic wipe down and clean it up. There's a few trouble spots. I may have to go a little farther than just a vacuum and wiping down, but in all, I think it's going to be a pretty easy job. It's pretty shiny. We'll have to dull that up a little. You know how it is, leather. If it's shiny, it's not clean. We're going to try to put this back in. We'll see if we can get her done. Don't know. We're going to try, but these back seats definitely need a little bit of attention, but hopefully the vacuum will handle it. If not, we'll try to spot clean it up a bit, make sure it's in good shape. I don't know how we manage that. Oh, the trunk looks really good. Take care of these little jams here. Alright, so we'll see if we can't get this thing cleaned up. It'll be a short little job, nothing too fancy. See, not too awful bad. So, let's get started. And in just over an hour, the car is done. And we're going to move on to the next one. Thanks for hanging out on my channel for a minute. We'll see you tomorrow.